So you mentioned that she was in a bad relationship.
Yes, ma'am.
Was that the relationship she was in while she was on probation?
Yes, ma'am.
And did she ever discuss with you that Child Protective Services was in her life?
Child Protective Service. Well, she told me about the case and that she had certain requirements she was supposed to be making.
All right. And did she tell you her requirements with Child Protective Services?
I didn't ask specifics.
All right.
I was just kind of trying to get her to get back on track with the probation.
Thank you so much for coming down. I appreciate your coming down.
You heard the testimony of Carmen Rodriguez. If the judge were to continue you on probation, are you in agreement to reside with Carmen in the next few months while you would get on your feet?
Yes.
You heard mention of a domestic violence involved relationship that you had been in previously. Has that ended?
Yes.
Okay, when did that end?
About May of last year.
So May of 2024.
Yes.
So that was kind of during this period of time that you had a warrant.
Yes.
Essentially. Why should the judge give you another chance on probation?
I'm in a better place than I was when all of this happened. I understand that I messed up. I did not go about it the right way, but I'm out of that relationship and that situation that I was in. And I know now that I have the support team that I do have, I am capable and more confident in myself now that I can get this done.
And why didn't you deal with the warrant earlier?
Honestly, I was scared. I've never been in trouble before.
So that's the first criminal case you've ever had.
So I really had no idea how it was going to go. And due to being a mother of 4 kids, I just didn't want to do time away from them. That's really all it is.
Okay. And essentially, I wasn't on that case previously, but based on what you told me, you were given a period of time that you needed to provide residence in Bexar County.
Yes.
And you told me that you did get residence in Bexar County, but you were late in providing notice, and that's when the warrant went.
Yes, sir.
And so that went out quite some time ago, but after that, you didn't deal with it because you had the warrant and you were scared.
Yes, sir.
If the judge were to continue you, who was to say the same thing wouldn't happen?
Like I said, I'm confident that I'm not going to slip up. I'm out of the situation that I was in, and that was a very big factor as to why things went the way that they did.